Hello dear children, welcome back to our computer class. Children, we are studying our chapter 7 working with paint. In this chapter, today we are going to learn the topic zooming the picture and saving a drawing, which is given on page number 7070 in your computer textbook. So let's start. First is zooming the picture. Now what is zooming? Zoom means to increase or decrease the view size of the object on the screen in any ratio. It means we can increase or decrease, means increase means to grow and decrease means to shrink the view of our picture. You can see on the screen one picture is given of parrot and it is zooming. When we click on any part of the picture, that part of picture will become bigger and bigger. So this way we can zoom our picture to see it clearly. Same as we are seeing through magnifier any object. Okay. So let's see practically how can we zoom our picture. Now students, let's see how can we zoom the picture. First, draw a smiling face like this. This is our smiling face. Using oval tool of shapes tool and fill color inside yellow and blue in eyes. Now, click on zoom in option present on the view tab to increase the view size. By clicking on the zoom in option, you can view the size of picture increased. You can see. Now click on zoom out to decrease the view size on view tab and click on zoom to 100% tool. The picture will come back to the normal size. You can see our picture will come back to normal size when we click on zoom to 100% tool. So this way you can zoom in or zoom out your picture. Now let's know more. Here one tip is there. Okay. So the tip is you can also increase or decrease the view size of the picture through the magnifier tool on the home tab. Click on minus to decrease the zoom level and plus to increase the zoom level on the zoom slider bar on the status bar. In status bar means at the bottom of the paint window you find status bar. In this you can find these minus and plus sign of zoom slider bar at the right bottom corner, and from this you can click on decrease button to decrease the zoom level and you can click on plus button to increase the zoom level. Now saving a drawing. When we finished our drawing, at that time we must have to save our drawing, because after saving we can use that picture again. It is very important to save your drawing after finishing the work. So once it is saved, we can reuse it any time, or we can open that our saved drawing anytime whenever we need and make changes in it also. For that, saving a drawing is important. So first click on the paint button here. This is our paint button. So for saving a drawing, you have to first click on this paint button. Click on this and select save option from the drop down menu. Now save as dialog box appears like this. Now in this dialog box, you first have to choose the location from the left side. Okay, if I want to save my drawing on the desktop, so I am selecting desktop from here. And if you want to save your drawing in pictures, so select pictures. Save as window. Now type the name of the file in the file name box here. Our drawing is smiling face. So write here file name that you want. Smiling face. Now click on save button. After clicking on save button, your drawing is saved in the location that you have chosen. Now the file will be saved. Now click on close button to close the Paint application. From this close button you can close our Paint program. Okay, so students, this way you can zoom and save your drawing in Paint. Now let's know more. The shortcut key to create a new file, open an old file and save a file are Ctrl+N, Ctrl+O and Ctrl+S. These are the shortcut key for these three operations. If you want to open new file, means new canvas, then you can use Ctrl key plus N key from the keyboard. If you open an old file, any saved drawing you want to open, then you can use this Ctrl key and O key. Both key you have to press at a time, okay, to open a new file. And if you want to save your file, then this is a shortcut key for save your file, Ctrl+S. So N for new file, O for open file and S for save file. These are the shortcut keys. To close the Paint program, you can also press Alt+F4 key combination. You can see here in the keyboard, this is our Alt key and here F4 key. These all are functions key. From that you have to choose F4 key and Alt key. Press both key at a time to close the Paint program. Okay. We can also use the red cross button on the top right corner of the Paint window, and we can also use shortcut key which is Alt+F4 to close Paint program. And yes student, you can use this Alt+F4 key combination, this shortcut key, for any program to close that program. Okay, this shortcut key is for every program to close that program. Okay, so students, here is our chapter over. In next class we will do exercise of this chapter in textbook and notebook. Till then, stay safe, learn well. Goodbye. Thank you.